Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Man, do we have a great little nifty blade for you by CRKT. So stay tuned right after that intro, and we're going to do the stuff we love to do the most. Okay guys, as you saw, we're going to take a look today at the CRKT 1105 K-Lake Kilo Endorser. Now, this is, I think, a third blade that we're bringing to our channel by Matthew Lurch. That'd be a third. Please don't ask me to recite off the top of my head the other ones. I know we've had him on the channel before, but you know what? We're going to take a look at this. Okay? Now, this blade is made in China, and I have to tell you, this is what attracted me to the blade. Before we even get into the details, the specs, the ever-loving, beautiful little stuff, I would not have bought this if I knew it had the fire safe thumb stud. Alright. Now, hopefully you can see that. On the thumb stud, there's this little button you gotta depress. I'd have never bought it if I knew it had that, but you gotta depress it and move it. That deploys the blade. I'm like, okay, for everyday carry, I just, no. So if something goes wrong with that itty bitty little spring in there, you are not going to be able to deploy your blade until you send it in for service. Okay, so let's get into the fun stuff. It's got an overall length of 7.31 inches. Closed, it's 4.17 inches, and the blade is 3.18 inches. It's got a pretty small weight of about 3.2 ounces. Now, I love the fact the edge, they call it plain. And I love, seriously, this big swooping effect that it has. It's great for slicing, stabbing, and pulling through. I love that look. I really, really do. The steel is 8CR14 MOV, and it has a 5859 HRC rating. The blade itself is coated in a black corrosion-resistant coating. So it gives it, seriously, something else. And like I said, on the scales, they are two-tone G10 handles. And I love the fact it's like a dark brown and a black and how it blends into the black. That's why I spent the money on it. I love how it looks. I don't like this fire-safe thumb stud. But anywho, it does have a liner lock, a one-position pocket clip, which is tipped down. Now, what gets me is it has the outburst assisted open, so I guess that's kind of like, I think it's Kershaw that has the speed safe technology. I mean, when it deploys, it's out quick. It is out very, very, very quick. But as we usually do, we took a look at the cost on CRKT's website and Amazon, as well as what it's rated. Over on CRKT, this is going to cost you roughly $60. It's $59.99, and it has a rating of 4 1/4 stars out of 5. Over on Amazon, it's $35.88 plus free shipping, and it has a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. But that's my overall look, just quickly at it. I would love to know what you think down below, please. Leave your questions, comments. I mean, guys, you know the drill by now. If you are a first-time viewer to the channel, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day with me. You're going to be seeing a symbol popping up right over here. That is going to be my company logo. Please go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you subscribe to the channel, which is very important, very, very, very important, please do it, please. I'm begging you, please. Click on the bell icon that's right next to that. That's going to notify you every single time we put a brand new video up there. Now, as of filming this video, we have not hit our 300 subscriber mark, so one of those videos that's going to pop up over here is going to be a 300 subscriber giveaway. Go ahead and check that out. You're really going to like it. But anywho, guys, there we go. That's a look at another wonderful everyday carry blade. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.